Hello, welcome to my Nookery. My name's Linda, and today is just a quick video to tell you all about the hashtag July Makes 2022 challenge, which is hosted by our wonderful Jeanette, aka DIY Creations. So what this is going to be all about is keeping track of projects in this month to complete as many as we possibly can. Most of us have got quite a few UFOs, whips, and you know, kind of things that have been lying around for a few months and whatever, and Jeanette thought it would be a good idea for us to challenge ourselves this month to see how many we can actually complete. Now, actually at the moment, 2 of my whips are ongoing for the next 12 until the end of the year because they're for the challenges, but I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One of them I've not. I've got about 6 on the go at the moment. So we'll see how many I can finish for the month of July. Also, I still need to keep on with my blankets for the challenges, so they won't be finished, but at least I've got, you know, at least maybe possibly 4 I can get finished, maybe 5 this month. We will see. But yeah, so if you are a content creator and you want to take part, I will put the link to Jeanette's video where she explains it a whole lot better than me. And if you're not a member of her channel, then please go across and give hit the bell icon, hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit that bell icon so it gives you notification. Give a thumbs up, and let's see what we can do, guys. Let's see what we can complete this month. It'll be interesting. I know last month I completed 9 projects, which is hashtag doing a Linda, as everybody says. So I'm really excited to see how this month goes, and it'd be nice to see how many we do get done. Oh. That's going to be a challenge in itself, guys. But as we all know, kind of, you know, we still got all of July and August, which is the summer months, and during the summer months I like to move on to my winter projects. And as you all know, I'm going to be moving on to wearables this year, so we'll see how many wearables I can finish. I don't think I've ever finished something in a month, mind you. I just finished that, and I finished the summertime wrap in about 6 weeks. You know, my summertime beach cover up. So maybe I can finish definitely. I would say I could definitely finish about 2, 3, maybe 4. We'll see. So if you would like to take part, as I said, check out the description box. If you are taking part, whether you're a content creator or you're only on YouTube, or you're on, not on YouTube, Facebook or Instagram, if you use the hashtag July Makes 2022, I will put the description here, and that would be awesome. So as I always say, take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye for now.